Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Rise and Shine Yoga. Let's begin. Stand on the top of the mat. Open your legs about your hip distance. Inhale, bring your arms up. Interlock your thumbs. Inhale, exhale, stretch to your right and look toward the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, four corners of your feet plant down. Inhale, exhale, soften your shoulders. Try to feel stretch on your side. Inhale, exhale. Fingers stretch out. Inhale, exhale, back to center. Inhale, exhale, stretch to your left. Look toward the ceiling. Four corners of your feet plant down. Shoulder blades down. Create space between ears and shoulders. Expand your chest when you inhale. And exhale back to center. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, open your arms, cactus pose. Shoulder blades engage. Exhale all the way down, Uttanasana, forward bend. Pedal your feet to stretch your calves. And inhale halfway up. Extend, stretch out your spine, crown to the tailbone. Inhale, exhale, plant your palms, right leg back and left leg. Plank pose. Inhale, heel to crown, one line, engage your core. Exhale, chaturanga to Ubha Mukha Svanasana, upper facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale, for 1. Heels down. Inhale, exhale, for 2. Tailbone high up toward the ceiling. Inhale, exhale for 3. Chest close to your thighs. Inhale, exhale for 4. Shoulder blades away from ears. Inhale, exhale for 5. Inhale, right leg up. And exhale, step between your hands. Back heel up. Keep hip square. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist your upper body. Twisted lunge, crescent lunge. Inhale, exhale for 1. Back heel pressing against invisible wall. Lift up your knee, use your thigh. Inhale, exhale for 3. Front knee bend for 90-degree angle. Inhale, exhale for 5. Back to straight center and palms down. From here, shift your weight on the front leg and bring your back leg stretch out, standing split. Take a moment. Breathe. Four corners of your standing leg really strong and firm. Inhale and exhale, bend your knee to hook a little bit. Squatting, one leg squat. And inhale again, standing split. And bring back to front. Okay? Inhale halfway up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Forward bend. Inhale all the way your arms up. And hands heart center, Namaste. Inhale. Arms up, open cactus pose. And exhale all the way down. Inhale halfway up, ground to the spine, long neck, long spine. And exhale, plant your hands, left leg back, and right leg back, plank pose. Heel to ground, one line. Inhale, exhale, hug your elbows, cross your body, straighten your. Here, if you too much, feel free to bring your knee down, okay? Inhale, Uba Mukha Shavasana, upper facing dog. Either knees down or knee up. It's your choice. And you can go directly to downward facing or bend your knee, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Okay? Many ways to move from downward to upper facing to downward facing dog. Okay? Take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1. All 10 fingers spread wide and down. 10 toes spread wide and down. Inhale, exhale for 2. Inhale, exhale for 3. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose, 4. Inhale, exhale for 5. Inhale, leg up, and exhale, step between, back heel up, square hips. And inhale, arms up, exhale, twist your upper body, twisted crescent lunge. Okay. Inhale, exhale for 1. Try to press back heel against invisible wall. Try to feel stretch on your psoas. Inhale, exhale for 3. Inhale, exhale for 4. And inhale, exhale for 5. Look straight, palms down. And shift your weight on the front. And bring back leg to the ceiling. Standing split. And bend both knees, one leg squat. And again, stretch out, standing split. And slowly with control, right leg back on the ground. And Uttanasana, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale down. Inhale all the way up. Arms up, hands heart center. And Namaste. This sequence is designed to awaken your body and mind so you may tackle the day. I recommend you include it in your morning routine. And check out my other video in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!